I took the 041 farm boss out for a shakedown run, cutting some firewood. What had happened, after a few logs, I noticed some things started to become loose. The muffler started rattling, and the pull rope I noticed was doing weird things. What had happened here was the two front screws came out, so this whole side cover was loose. Took it home, stripped her down to see what was going on. Most of it was just missing bolts. The muffler, a tab that holds it down, granted both bolts were missing, but this little tab had broken off here, and it was missing the bolts holding it to the motor. So I'm going to clean this all up and try to TIG weld this back on before putting all new bolts in. I ordered some more bolts. I'm going to Loctite everything. I should have done it the first time when I noticed bolts were missing on this saw, but I didn't. But I'll correct it now. I'm going to Loctite everything. We'll get her back together, and we'll bring her out again, see if we can cut some more wood.